Get ready for a twist you didn't see coming. Walmart is stepping into the sneaker game, teaming up with StockX to offer some of the hottest kicks, like Air Jordans and Travis Scott collabs, right on their website. From Nike Classics to New Balance hits, this partnership could change the sneaker resale game. Is this a genius move or just another hype grab? Verified and fulfilled by StockX. That's right, StockX, the go-to platform for sneakerheads, is teaming up with one of the biggest retailers in the world. Walmart's VP, Michael Mosser, says this could expand to include tens of thousands of products in the future. For now, the focus is on high-demand sneakers like Nike Air Jordans, Travis Scott collabs, and New Balance hits. But there's a hint that streetwear could be next. Why this move? Walmart is beefing up its online marketplace to compete with retail giants like Amazon. They already offer refurbished electronics and collectibles, but now they're stepping into the sneaker culture, an industry that still commands massive attention. This is a huge opportunity for StockX too. It's their first partnership with a third-party platform like Walmart. CEO Scott Cutler sees it as a way to reach a new audience, including shoppers who might not already be familiar with the resale platform. The sneaker resale market exploded in 2021 and has since cooled slightly. Limited edition drops from Nike, Adidas, and New Balance are still highly sought after, but the competition among resale platforms has grown. Walmart and StockX teaming up could bring a fresh approach to this evolving market. This partnership is part of Walmart's larger strategy to expand its online marketplace. They've already surprised customers by offering high-end brands like Cartier, and now they're diving into sneaker culture. Walmart's online marketplace might not be as big as Amazon's yet, but moves like this are closing the gap. This collaboration shows how mainstream sneaker culture has become. Big retailers want in, but authenticity is key. That's why Walmart is relying on StockX to ensure every sneaker is verified. This is a bold move for Walmart and StockX. Walmart gets a piece of sneaker culture, while StockX gains exposure to a wider audience. It's smart, but only time will tell if sneakerheads are ready to shop for grails at Walmart. Before we wrap, a quick shout out to my brand, Sully & Son Company. If you're looking for premium travel bags and accessories that bring style and function together, check out our collection right here on the channel or at premium retailers online. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things sneakers, culture, and more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.